Today I am reviewing HP 2025-22 all-in-one desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Welcome to this in-depth review of the HP 2025-22-inch all-in-one desktop computer, the newest 2025 version designed for everyday use, professional tasks, and casual computing. If you're looking for a compact, stylish, and efficient computer for your home office, study, or general use, this model from HP is worth a close look. Let's break down what makes this all-in-one desktop an excellent choice for both work and entertainment. Starting with the processor, the HP 2025 is powered by the latest 13th Gen Intel N100 Quad-Core CPU, offering 4 cores and 4 threads with a turbo frequency of up to 4 GHz and 6 MB of cache. This processor is designed to handle everyday computing effortlessly, whether you're browsing the web, running multiple applications, streaming media, or working on productivity tasks. The integrated Intel UHD Graphics provides smooth visuals for office work, casual gaming, and multimedia content without requiring a dedicated graphics card. Next, let's talk about memory and storage. This desktop comes with 8 GB of DDR5 RAM, ensuring fast multitasking and responsive performance. Combined with the 128 GB SSD storage, your system will boot quickly, load applications in a snap, and access essential files efficiently. For users who require more space, HP allows you to expand the memory up to 32 GB, making this system flexible for future needs. The display is a standout feature of this all-in-one desktop. The 21.5-inch Full HD 1920x1080 IPS screen delivers sharp, clear visuals with an anti-glare coating, perfect for long hours of work or entertainment. The 16:9 aspect ratio ensures that videos, presentations, and games look natural, while the low blue light and flicker-free technology reduce eye strain during extended sessions. Audio and video capabilities are also impressive. HP has included high-definition stereo speakers for immersive sound during video calls, streaming, or music playback. The built-in HD webcam with a privacy shutter and dual microphones provide clear video and audio for meetings, online classes, or video chats, ensuring both security and convenience. Connectivity is another area where the HP 2025 shines. It comes with a wide range of ports, including one USB Type-C for high-speed data transfer, multiple USB Type-A ports, a headphone/microphone combo jack, HDMI output for connecting external monitors, and an RJ45 Ethernet port for wired networking. Additionally, the system supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, allowing seamless wireless connectivity for fast internet speeds and stable connections to peripherals. The operating system is Windows 11 Pro, offering a modern, user-friendly interface along with enhanced security features, business-grade tools, and remote desktop support. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, Windows 11 Pro enhances productivity and provides a reliable platform for both work and play. In terms of design, the HP 2025 features a sleek jet black finish that blends well in any home or office setting. Its all-in-one form factor saves desk space, reduces cable clutter, and creates a clean, organized workspace. Weighing around 11 pounds, and with compact dimensions of 15.8 by 19.3 by 6.5 inches, this desktop is easy to place anywhere you need it. For performance in real-world use, the HP 2025 all-in-one desktop handles everyday tasks smoothly. Opening multiple browser tabs, running office applications, streaming 1080p videos, and even light image editing are seamless experiences. Thanks to the SSD storage and DDR5 RAM, you'll notice quick load times and responsive navigation throughout. Finally, HP includes a 1-year manufacturer warranty, giving you peace of mind for any potential issues, along with reliable customer support. This, combined with its solid performance, modern design, and versatile connectivity options, makes the HP 2025 22-inch all-in-one desktop a fantastic choice for those looking for a reliable and stylish desktop solution in 2025. To summarize, the HP 2025-22 all-in-one desktop computer combines efficient performance, modern design, and versatility in a compact all-in-one package. Powered by the 13th Gen Intel N100 Quad-Core CPU with integrated Intel UHD Graphics, it handles everyday tasks, multitasking, and media consumption with ease. The 8GB DDR5 RAM and 128GB SSD ensure fast boot times, smooth navigation, and quick access to files, while the 21.5-inch Full HD anti-glare display provides crisp visuals for work, study, and entertainment. With built-in stereo speakers, HD webcam with privacy shutter, and dual microphones, it's ideal for video calls, online classes, and streaming. Its wide connectivity options, including USB-C, HDMI, Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3, make connecting peripherals effortless. The sleek jet black all-in-one design saves space, reduces cable clutter, and fits perfectly in any home or office environment. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, it offers enhanced security, productivity features, and a modern user interface. Backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty, the HP 2025-22 all-in-one desktop is a reliable, stylish, and powerful choice for anyone seeking a dependable desktop solution for everyday use. If you're searching for a desktop that balances performance, design, and everyday usability, the HP 2025-22-inch all-in-one is an excellent investment for both home and office use.